Any idea what these two numbers represent? Hint, they are two of the most important metrics in the hotel industry. They represent the departmental profit percentages of rooms and restaurant departments in a hotel. The restaurant number is actually applicable to a standalone restaurant as well. It may be noticed that the rooms department profit is about 2.8 times that of the restaurants. What could be the reasons for this yawning gap? Five major areas spell out the reason why restaurant profitability is so much less than a rooms department one. The reasons span all the way from sales mix right down to profit flow through. Moreover, restaurant types and the offerings are way more than, say, market segments in the rooms department. Not only way more in numbers, but also much more diverse. This may be a controversial point, but the rooms department is heavily sales and market driven in a hotel and is more structured than the restaurant operation. The restaurant with its diversity is a much more difficult operation to manage. You only have to consider the fact that a restaurant could be a coffee shop, or all day dining as it is called now, a lounge with a bar attached, a bar with finger food and snacks served, a specialty restaurant like Chinese, Indian, Italian, Egyptian, a deli or a gourmet shop, and so on. The variety is mind boggling. So, how can this yawning gap be bridged? To begin with, it cannot be closed entirely simply because of the differences in the nature of the two operations. However, the restaurant profit percentage needle can be moved toward the 50% point. It will depend upon the individual situation, but is possible.